Hi, I'm Jenna, and this is my cooking channel. Hello!
Hey, what's your name?
I'm Jenna, and this is our cooking show. Cooking with Jenna and Peter. Today, I'm making chickpea curry. And I'm using a recipe from a website, so disclaimer.
What are you disclaiming?
Oh, I didn't make this up. I can't do that yet, but I will. Follow me for step number 1. Grab a beer. It's no fun just cooking, so we have to drink beer. Refreshing. All right, I'm gonna show you the ingredients. Oh, he's got one too. This is what you're gonna need. Rice, coconut milk, 2 cans of chickpeas, curry powder, garlic, honey. We have our nice local Colorado honey. Salt and pepper, vegetable broth, cilantro, limes, ginger, and olive oil or vegetable oil. All right. So,
How much do you like to cook?
I hate cooking, but I want to do it more because I like eating.
Okay.
So, this is my journey.
How much do you like eating?
A little bit. I like eating things that I really like. So I want to start by cooking things I really like.
Do you like eating your cooking more or my cooking more?
Generally, your cooking.
Which do you get more excited about? Your cooking or my cooking?
If my cooking turns out, I get more excited about my cooking because it turned out.
So what is curry?
Curry is a powder.
So chickpea curry is a chickpea powder?
No, it's a powder of spice. You're gonna make the rice first because that takes about 30 minutes. You're gonna stick it in here. Make sure it's plugged in. All right, we're gonna start by chopping up some vegetables. As you see, I've just peeled the onion, but I'm already crying, so we'll see how this goes. Guess I didn't peel in enough. I don't really know how to cut onions.
You gonna make it?
I think so.
Got a lot of onions to chop yet.
I know. You gotta do the other half.
Nope, this is your show.
Okay, it's my show. Onions. Check. Now, I'm gonna heat up a little bit of oil in this pot. Woo. We don't have a lot of counter space.
What did you think when you first saw this kitchen?
I really liked it.
You liked how skinny it was?
just thought it was cozy.
Did you ever think that it wouldn't be enough space?
I thought it might be a little tricky. Okay guys, we're gonna put this on medium, high heat. Let it warm up a little bit. But yeah, it's gotten a little cozy for either of our tastes. Okay, we're gonna cut up some garlic. Let's chop some garlic. Gotta break it. Let all the juices out. Peter taught me that.
What is your favorite vegetable?
First thing that comes to mind is broccoli. But I also really like, if they're prepared well, Brussels sprouts and green beans and asparagus.
If you had to choose one of those for the rest of your life, which one would you choose? And how would you let down the other vegetables?
I would choose broccoli. I don't know what you mean by let down the other
Well,
vegetables.
what would you tell them and let them know that they're not the ones that you've chosen?
I wouldn't tell them.
You would just ghost them.
We don't have an established enough relationship.
So, do you feel like asparagus has just done nothing for you then? Does it deserve?
We're moving on! So the pan is hot. I would secretly send the asparagus a letter of apology. Okay. We're gonna add the onions. This pot's getting hot. These are some good smells.
Can you describe the smell that you're smelling?
Right now it's very oniony. You want to season this with some salt and pepper.
If I told you you smelled like onions, would you take this as a compliment?
Probably not. It's kind of a thing that's limited to the kitchen. That nice and good, going. Wait till they're golden. Then we're gonna add the curry. So we're just gonna enjoy this for a few minutes. Let this go. We're gonna add 2 teaspoons of curry powder. But this teaspoon does not fit in here, so I'm gonna have to just pour it.
Right over.
Yeah. If you get a little more, I think it's fine. We're gonna stir this together. Look at that. Then we're gonna add our garlic. Oh, and as always, wash your hands before you start cooking. I've done that, I think. I've done it. Ooh, yeah, that garlic is giving this a nice smell.
Can you describe the smell for us?
It's spicy and fragrant, golden.
If this smell were a day, what kind of day would it be?
Fall or summer. Next is the vegetable stock. So we're gonna let this cook for about a minute. Then we're going to add 1 cup of vegetable stock.
It hasn't been a minute yet. I know because I can see all the seconds.
I think it's been a minute since I put everything in.
Oh, yes.
Here we go. Mmm. It's exotic spice, that curry smell of yellow. Yum. Okay, we're gonna add 1 can coconut milk. Now gotta shake this baby up. Pour this baby in. Okay. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of honey. So we'll stir this in. Look at that creamy broth. Put in our honey, except I forgot to put it upside down, so it might take a little bit. Here we go. Careful with this handle. Last time I set it down and it got in the fire. Squirt of sriracha. I think that's a squirt. Okay, so we're gonna bring this to a boil. I'm gonna add a little bit of ginger. Add the chickpeas, drained and rinsed. Drain number 2. We're gonna rinse these babies. And add them to the pot. Stir around. And then we are going to reduce the heat and let this simmer for about 10 minutes. All right, it's time to check our curry. Let's take a look. Ooh, look at that. Smells amazing. So this, you just gotta taste and see if you like it. So let's see if I like it. Spoon, check. Tastes pretty good to me.
That means we get to eat it now?
Yes. But first, get your bowls, get your rice scooper. Where's our rice scooper? Oh, there it is. And we're gonna go scoop some rice into the bowl. That's the first thing. There's a moth. Ladle in a little bit of this beautiful curry. Make sure to get some juices in there too. Yum. Yummy, yummy. Oh, while it was simmering, I added 1 lime juice. I juiced 1 lime into it. We're gonna garnish with a little bit of cilantro. Voila! Chickpea curry. I hope you've enjoyed our show. This has been fun. We'll let you know how it is. Bye!